All right, we're to dividing decimals, and this is going to be our longest one. So we have our steps down the side: divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down, reduce. Now, before we do that, we do have to move our decimal point. So we are dividing a whole number, dividing by a whole number. So I'm going to move this 1 decimal point to make that a 4, which means I have to move this 1 decimal point. So that gives me 14.8 divided by 4. And we have to line our decimal points up. So my decimal point in my answer lines up my decimal point in my dividend. And we start out with dividing. So 1 divided by 4 is 0. Then we multiply. 0 times 4 is 0. And we subtract. This is still 1. And we bring down. And we repeat all over again. 14 divided by 4 is 3. Remember, you would do 14 divided by 4 in your calculator and look for the number outside of the decimal. That's a 3. Then we multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. And we subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. And we bring down our 8. And we do it one last time. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And when I subtract, I get 0. So my answer is 3.7. All right, we do the same thing over here. We have to make this whole. Move our decimal point 1, 2 places. So we have to move it 1, 2 places over here. This gives me 7. 21.98 divided by 7. Line our decimal points up. And get to work. 2 divided by 7 is 0. Remember, to get that, I would do 2 divided by 7. I would get a long decimal point, and I'm looking for that number in front of the decimal, which is a 0. Then we do 0 times 7 is 0. We subtract, gives me 2, and I bring down, gives me 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. I subtract, and I bring down. 9 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract, I get 2. And I bring down this 8. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, gives me 0. So my answer is 314. All right, guys, we have finished. Good luck on your exam tomorrow. Remember, you can use this review sheet that you've gone over. These videos are also on Google Classroom, so you can go over them while you're at home. Good luck and have a great week, guys.